So basically, my name is Sebastian Rothen-Ledoux. I'm a business development manager for Hyphen Tech. A company has been created in 2020, and basically what we do is we collect information from the truck using ELA's beacons, and then we gather them together in order to send them via telematics or to the dashboard or to an app to the customer, depending on their requirements. That's basically what we do. A few years ago, an accident happened on a truck which had a side panel, and then people were killed because the driver drove off with the side panel open. And so since then, the requirement is the driver needs to be informed that the side panel is open. And so by using the sensor with basically the sensor with a magnet as well as the sensor, that's a way of basically knowing whether the side panel is open. We also use temperature. We also use PIR sensors. But basically what we're doing, and that's our collaboration with ELA, is to develop a whole range of beacons in order to sort of have different sensors that's going to help us collecting information from the truck. We used ELA Innovation for many reasons. One reason was the fact that it's based in France, near us, which is also important. It's developed in France, so we like this sort of close collaboration. It was an easy way of installing sensors because they're wireless and they're self-powered, which basically creates a sort of an easy plug-and-play situation. They're affordable, and therefore we can bring to our customers some solutions which are going to be affordable for them, which is the key in this kind of information when you do IoT on vehicles, which is basically what we're doing. We'll be probably proactive, like sort of always trying to find what's the next step or how do you challenge, or I would say proactive. Proximity, the fact that they are really close to us, but not only the proximity in terms of location, but also proximity in the way that we can talk to them. We can talk about our challenges, and they come back with solutions, and they said, well, hang on, we have that on the way. We're probably going to have a solution soon or something like that. And it's great to have a real partner we can talk to in order to develop things rather than having somebody located in the Far East, which is going to be a bit more complicated and obviously not the same volumes. So it's good to have this kind of partnership because in terms of size, we're talking about similar size companies, and therefore we have the same kind of language. So that's important for us, and that's the reason why it's going well with ELA and Hyphen Tech. The importance of IoT is it's mainly solving a problem of the challenge on vehicles. At the moment, you've got different organs of the vehicles, but they don't talk to each other. And what we are developing with Hyphen Tech is this kind of Swiss Army knife when we have this box collecting information and then saying to the customer, okay, once we get this information, what do you want to do with it? Do you want to send it to the dashboard through a pop-up pictogram? Do you want to send it to an app on your phone? Do you want to send that through telematics to a fleet manager, to someone? And also the other way around. And do you want to basically cap the speed of the vehicles if there is a problem? Do you want to be able to action something? So it works both ways, and it's very important to be able to do that. And at the moment, every organs of the truck works independently. And our job is to put them together and then offer a solution to customers which are facing challenges.